Hello students, I hope all of you are doing great and enjoying your new journey which you have just begun. So all the students who have just took admission and they will be graduating in MBA 2028, means after 2 years your degree will be completed. For them it is mandatory to fill this form. We are collecting this data to share with companies so that we can pitch them that we have good students available with them. So from the first year onwards only we can send you on live projects in different companies. So I'm guiding you to fill this form so that you don't do any mistake in this. So first, when you will click on the link under the description of this video, this form will open. First you have to log in with your Gmail ID. Must log in with the Gmail ID which you are going to use, in which emails you are going to receive, right? First fill your registration number. Make sure you double check your registration number. 8-digit must be there. Then your name, then which languages are known to you by / you can write it down. Then your date of birth. Here many students do the mistake, so you click on this checkbox and the calendar will open. From there you can change the years and month, and accordingly you can select. So date of birth, then which native state belongs to. All the Indian states we have put the name, and if you are an international student you can select international. Which graduation stream, whatever the major graduation streams were available we have written. Try to choose from this only. If you have a separate any different graduation, then you can select others. Like I have chosen BCom. So if you are from BTech, right, you select that. We have given those different BTech options also. Okay. So whatever graduation stream you have, you choose appropriate correct one. No information in this form should be wrong, because all this information will be shared with the external agencies which are the company stakeholders, and we cannot afford to have a wrong information, right? Then you write down your UG specialization, whatever it was. Then your graduating passing year, when your graduation, because you have taken admission in MBA, so when you have graduated from your UG degree, undergraduation degree, so July month, June month, whenever you have ended, so you can fill there. Then percentage in your graduation, if you have CGPA, convert it into the percentage, and then don't write down percentage sign. We have given all the instructions over here. You simply write down whatever the percentage. Then your phone number, very important, because company is going to call on these numbers only. We are also going to call you on these numbers, and we are going to give you the information. So make sure you are joining, writing the correct phone number. Then your correct email ID on which you will be receiving all the information from university and from the company also. So please make sure you write down correct email ID. Then your parents phone number, because sometime when we or company try to reach you, your number is not available, so they can tell your parents to contact you so that information reaches you on time, you do not miss out. Then upload your CV. Once you will be uploading your CV, first save your CV by your name and followed by your registration number, followed by the word CV. Save this CV by this and then only upload. If you do not have CV, you can make it very quickly. There are many websites available like Resume Builder, Make My Resume, Follow CV. So kind of many different websites are available with the help of which you can create your CV very quickly. So tonight you have time, spend half an hour and make your CV and upload it over here. Then in future, which specialization you would be interested in, right? So we have given broader specialization. We are not going for investment banking or something like that. We have given broader specialization. So if you are interested in investment banking or something, then you can choose finance. Otherwise sales and marketing, supply chain, human. So all the broader specializations we have given. Are you interested in BNY company? If you are interested, then say yes. If you are not, say no. Then some more informations, please confirm if you are a part of integrated course. Obviously if you are taken a new admission, you are not a part of the integrated course, but some students who are continuing the degree, they are integrated, they can use yes over here. Please confirm if you have graduated from a university outside India. Most of you it would be no, so select no. So if you have done any apprenticeship previously, then select yes, otherwise select no. Are you a OCI holder, overseas citizenship of India? Most of you would be no, so select no. If you are yes, must select yes. If now last question, if you don't have work experience. So if you don't have work experience, just say no, click next and submit the form. If you have work experience, then select yes. When you will select yes, you will be routed to the next window where they will be asking your experience. So experience should be mentioned in months, not years. Please listen. If you have 6 months experience, write 6. If you have 12 month experience, write down 12. If you have 2-year experience, write down 24, right? If you have UN or SCI number, please write down. If not applicable, write down NA, right? Search for this on Google if you don't have any clarity. Name of the company in which you have the experience, properly write down the name of the company. Job profile, what you have done, and your experience certificate. If you don't have the experience certificate, go back and select no at the end of the option, say no. If you have experience certificate, only then say yes, right? Please say, fill this form today only. All the information should be correct. Details are required for your future best purpose only. Fill the details correctly. All the best. Any document which you fill in this, if it is wrong document uploaded, you won't be able to correct it later on. This is one of the limitation of the Google form. So make sure when you upload your CV or you upload your experience certificate, you upload it correct, right? In case if you face any problem while filling the form, visit 14 block 206 window for any query. Thank you and all the best.